Exercise doesn't just strengthen our body, it also protects your mind. Welcome back to Hill Med Stress Management, where science meets self-care. I'm Dr. Jerron C. Hill, MD, board certified anesthesiologist. Today I want to talk about how exercise rapidly reduces the stress response. Consistent exercise lowers baseline cortisol levels, one of our primary stress hormones, and helps the brain to shut off the stress response faster with more efficiency. People who exercise regularly recover faster from emotional stress and experience fewer symptoms of chronic stress. Recall that stress activates the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, which results in the production of cortisol, one of our primary stress hormones. The problem is too much cortisol causes anxiety, weight gain, insomnia, irritability, and inflammation in our bodies. The good news is that when we exercise, we produce endorphins and neurochemicals that help to decrease the stress response, lift our mood, and calm our nervous system. Beta endorphins are powerful natural pain relievers. They help to relieve physical and emotional pain, and they also calm our nervous system and improve our mental health. Now, dopamine is known as the motivational reward chemical. It boosts our drive, energy, and focus. It helps to regulate our attitude and mood, and it helps us to recover from feelings of being overwhelmed. Serotonin is known as our well-being chemical, and it improves our mood, emotional balance. It helps with our digestion, appetite, sleep, and it also stabilizes anxiety. Norepinephrine is called our stress reset chemical, and it sharpens our mental clarity. It also balances out our fight and flight response, and it helps us with feelings from being stressed or mental fatigue. Now, anandamide is one of two endogenous endocannabinoids that are produced when we have stress in our bodies. It's responsible for helping with being calm as well as our well-being, and it reduces anxiety. It's called the molecule of bliss and is responsible for our pleasure, happiness, and euphoria. And you may recall that when we take CBD, it helps to prevent the metabolism of anandamide so that it can help us to remain calm and bring about balance in our body. Now, next, I want to talk about some of the physiological effects that exercise has on our body. Now, exercise helps to fight inflammation from chronic cortisol secretion and stress in our body. We know that chronic stress can cause an increase in inflammatory markers in our bodies called cytokines, and two of them are interleukin-6 and tumor necrosis alpha. Now, less inflammation means fewer physical symptoms that resolve from chronic stress. Also, it helps to boost our immune function and improve our mood and energy. Now, exercise also causes a decrease in muscle tension in our bodies and helps to regulate our blood pressure. Chronic stress causes our muscles to remain tense. It also elevates our heart rate. So when we exercise and have physical movement, this helps to lower tension in our muscles. It decreases our blood pressure and also regulates our circulation. This is a positive feedback from the brain to the body, signaling that we are calm, that we're safe. And this helps to calm down the nervous system. This process is called a physiologic reset to stress. Now, exercise isn't just about looking good or strengthening the body. It's one of the most powerful scientific supported tools for helping with our mental health, emotional resilience, and stress recovery. Just 20 to 30 minutes of exercise during the week can dramatically change how you feel. You should begin to exercise and just start right where you are, just moving, whether it's walking, swimming. Pickleball is a popular sport today. It will help your brain, it will improve your mood and your overall mental health. Your body and brain will thank you. Now, next week, I'm going to talk about how stress affects our sleep and how a lack of sleep exacerbates the stress response, a vicious cycle. For more from Hill Med Stress Management, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share it with someone who may benefit from its content. Until next week, I'll see you again, and start moving. Thank you.